nearing the end of my 12th year. It was like I had JEE mains in January, board exams in February, and in March I was feeling a bit burnt out because I had, for physics, I would say it's either like solving circuits in current electricity or maybe like formation of rainbows. I really enjoyed that part, though it took me a long time to understand it. I do like it, like it's really fun. Chemistry,
सो वी हैव ध्रुवा फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, एक ऐसा बच्चा जो बहुत मेहनती है, राइट? तो अब उसका टारगेट है जेई में टॉप रैंक पाने का, राइट ध्रुवा? तो लेट्स सी कि ध्रुवा क्या क्वेश्चन पूछता है हमारे आईबीओ मेडलिस्ट से.
So Vedant, out of all the NSEs that you cracked, which one was the toughest and which one was the easiest?
Oh,
that's a very interesting question. I would say the easiest for me was NSEB because I still have a passion for biology. So I did like biology then. I found NSEB fun in 11th when I appeared for it. The toughest would be actually either physics or chemistry, because actually no, chemistry was also fine enough. I was able to clear it. Physics was a bit tough because the physics NSEP really focuses on how you are able to manage your time and if you are able to skip questions correctly, because you have to solve 60 questions in 2 hours, and they are not especially easy questions, at least in the recent years. So the test basically focuses if you are able to identify which question is too tough or too lengthy, and if you are able to skip those questions to solve the easier questions later on.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And also, if you were to recommend one book for every NSE that you qualified, which one would you recommend for each subject?
one for physics, one for chemistry,
One for biology.
I think chemistry के लिए one book is not right, physical organic, right? And
Yeah.
one for astronomy.
Astronomy, I didn't follow any particular book. For the NSEA, I actually just prepared maths and physics and went ahead and appeared for it. For physics, I would say it's a bit difficult to pick one book. Because when we actually studied physics, our teacher gave us a lot of assignments with questions from varied books. But I think one book which was mostly recurrent was probably like Physics Galaxy.
Okay.
Chemistry, again, 3 books are there. You have for chemistry, physical, you can follow something like Narendra Avasthi or R.C. Mukherjee even. I think ma'am likes to recommend R.C. Mukherjee a lot
For NSE.
for NSEJS. For organic, MS Chauhan was enough for me, the advanced book. And
Inorganic JD Lee.
inorganic, you could refer JD Lee for problems, VK Jaiswal, stuff like that. Biology, it's Campbell.
Okay, thank you.
महाग्रंथ, right? So as he said कि इसको सबसे मुश्किल बच्चों NSCP लगा, बट मैं यहाँ बताना चाहूँ इसका मुश्किल भी इसको नीट, जो इस बार नीट 2025 वाज अ टफ एग्जाम, राइट? अच्छा पेपर आया था, फिजिक्स बहुत टफ थी, उसमें ही इज अमंग द टॉप स्कोरर इन फिजिक्स इन नीट, राइट? तो हालांकि ये कह रहा है कि NSCP वाज टफेस्ट टू क्रैक एज पर द स्ट्रैटेजी, बट वेदांत ने फिजिक्स में भी मतलब फोड़ा हुआ है नीट के पेपर में, राइट? नाउ वी हैव अभिदा अगेन NSCGS 2024 क्वालिफायर. तो अभिदा, आप क्या क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हो वेदांत से?
So what I wanted to ask is, how did you manage JEE, NEET and Olympiads all together?
That's a good question, because like what I actually did was that in my 11th, I was mostly focusing on JEE preparation while attending NEET biology classes simultaneously. And while doing JEE, I also started reading for the biology Olympiad, reading Campbell and a lot of other stuff, solving problems, etc. And along with that, like, it was a bit difficult to manage, I must say, because I did sort of start neglecting maths a bit. I took permission from sir to skip a few assignments here and there, etc. But and then as I moved to 12th, I focused more on JEE, and NEET also started coming into the focus, especially during the nearing the end of my 12th year. It was like I had JEE mains in January, board exams in February, and in March I was feeling a bit burnt out because I had JEE mains ka stuff to do. I had NEET preparation, reading NCERT, and I had to prepare for the biology or CSC at the same time. So it was a bit too much to handle, but ultimately, like, I got through it.
Yes. And I want to add on here, like Vedant ki journey, though it was a long journey starting from NACGS till the IBO Gold and JEE NEET top ranks, along with so many other Olympiads. But बच्चों एक चीज मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि he also had a breather, जितना मतलब I have been part of his journey in class 10th. He had that breather window. 10th में he was not कि बहुत कुछ तो मेरे को Olympiad qualify कर रही है, तो 10th में इसने खुद को एक वो समय दिया to like just take in the things and relax. On 11th onwards again he picked up the stuff, right?
So 10th में I just like in 9th I cleared NSCGS science so went to camp, वो सब हो गया. उसके बाद 10th में I just joined the RM batch and we started preparing for JEE and also NEET at the same time. We had a few biology classes going on. I did not was not dedicatedly preparing for any Olympiad as such, but matlab, we were doing JEE prep and at the same time we were also preparing for NSEP in the physics part of the RM batch. But it was not like मुझे इस साल clear ही करना है वगैरह. I was just मतलब I just did boards, I would say, for the most part.
एंड वो समय ऐसा था कि मम्मा थोड़ी टेंशन में भी थी कि वो सिर्फ वर्ड्स के लिए ज्यादा ओरिएंटेड है, अभी कुछ ऐसा टारगेट नहीं है. तो मम्मा को बीइंग अ पेरेंट और बीइंग अ टीचर ऑनेस्टली हमें भी लगा कि वेदांत को कुछ तो टारगेट करना चाहिए. बट ये आज अगर मैं इसकी जर्नी देखती हूँ ना फ्लैशबैक, तो मुझे लगता है अच्छा एक ब्रीदर दिया रादर देन बीइंग एग्जॉस्ट कंटिन्यूसली फॉर 4-5 years. तो थोड़ा सा इसने खुद को रिलैक्स किया 10th में रादर देन पुशिंग हार्ड फॉर टारगेटिंग एनी ओलंपियाड. तो
I just focused on covering my JEE का syllabus.
That was a good thing, I will say. Now we have Vilohit from Bangalore. Vilohit, पहले तो ये बताओ RCB fan है क्या? Yeah. चलो भाई Vilohit, the RCB fan I will say because मतलब बैंगलोर ने तो इस बार मचा दी IPL में, है ना? So आप IPL से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहोगे कि ओलंपियाड से रिलेटेड? ओलंपियाड. ठीक है. Okay, Vilohit, over to you.
So what is your favorite concepts in each subject in sciences? Can you list them?
That's a fun question to ask. For physics, I would say it's either like solving circuits in current electricity or maybe like formation of rainbows. I really enjoyed that part. Or even like surface tension. Though it took me a long time to understand it, I do like it. Like it's really fun. Chemistry is a bit difficult to think of any particular thing, but mostly like solve organic reaction, organic mechanisms. That's like general organic chemistry, the entirety of it. It's really fun. And biology, I would say, one second.
बायोलॉजी इतनी पसंद है वेदांत को, इतना पढ़ लिया बायोलॉजी कि he cannot pick one topic, I guess.
हाँ, like one thing that I do really love is operon systems, like lac operon, which you might or might not have studied.
Everything alien to me.
आपको कभी पढ़ा देंगे मैम.
हाँ.
आप मैम की क्लास अटेंड करो.
रोहानी मैम की क्लासेस अटेंड करते हैं बायोलॉजी के लिए, राइट? चलो, थैंक यू सो मच सभी बच्चों का, और थैंक यू वेदांत, उन सब बच्चों की क्वेरीज को आंसर किया, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स यू आर एन इंस्पिरेशन टू ऑल ऑफ देम. एंड जो शायद टिप्स तुम दे सकते हो, मतलब वो टीचर भी नहीं दे सकते, बिकॉज यू हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ दैट जर्नी योरसेल्फ जस्ट नाउ, है ना? तो दैट इज रियली गुड ऑफ यू कि आप सब बच्चों के आपने आंसर किए. थैंक यू सो मच. मैं जल्दी तुम्हें पकड़ूंगी रोहानी मैम के साथ एक बढ़िया फन रैपिड फायर के लिए, राइट? चलो, बाय 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 करो भैया को, बाय.